Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So today I'm going to make a painting. I'm going for a dark rainbow. So usually when I do rainbow paintings, I use a lot of white. Today I'm going for a dark rainbow. So I'm using a bit of white, yellow, blue, red, a little bit more yellow. Come on. Okay, good. And then I'm going to put a massive amount of black in here. And we're going to see how this comes out. Now, in theory, the black is on the top, so it should come out with the white coming out last. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to see how this goes. This is a 10 by 10 canvas, by the way, guys. So my question was whether it would make the entire painting dark or hopefully just the outsides. And so far it looks like just the outsides. So that's cool. Plus the inside of the cup looks pretty epic. All right, we're gonna let this sit here for just a second while I move all my paints out of the way, and then we'll do our tilting. All right. So I'm pretty sure I am in love. I don't know what you guys think, but this definitely exceeded my expectations. All right. And I do have parchment paper here catching the runoff, so don't you guys worry. It can all be used. There we go. That is gorgeous. All right, so I'm gonna let this sit here for a bit, see if anything else develops, and then we will do our close-up. Okay, we're back. This just looks awesome. So excited about this. All right, let's do our close-up. So starting on the lower right-hand corner, I even love how it goes over the edge over here. Going up to the upper right-hand corner. Up to the upper left-hand corner where we have some amazing white lacing in there. And down to the lower left-hand corner. And then my favorite part, the rose in the middle. At least to me, that's what it looks like. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please let me know what you think. Honestly, I think that this color scheme would look amazing on like a tabletop or something, or maybe a very large canvas. But I like black. I love the contrast. I like how it's like really bright here and then dark over here. So that's my personal preference. But yeah, let me know what you guys think, and I will see you next time.